Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Audi A7 Quattro for sale. This vehicle for purchase comes in a gray exterior. We have a black interior, sunroof, memory seats, power seat controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel, Bose sound system in this vehicle, rear seats, rear climate control, including heated seats, and quick look up the front of the vehicle. Come around to the back, we've got our Audi A7 Quattro badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space back here. Push button to close. And let's hop inside the vehicle. And we do have a push button ignition. Mileage currently at 41,815. Currently showing our navigation here on the display, radio, and backup camera. Now below the display we have our climate controls and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.